Hey, Honors World History! I just wanted to give you a really quick update and kind of recap, I suppose, of our claims testers that we use for Big History Project, in case you forgot, okay? So you have intuition, that gut feeling, right? Intuition is a really good one, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you have concrete evidence. So I very much so suggest that when you are thinking in terms of these particular qualifiers for your claim testers, that you really don't use intuition all that often, because intuition, a gut feeling, is good, but it's not the one that's going to give you evidence, right? Speaking of, there's also authority, okay, which relies on the credibility of the source. So that's really important. You want to make sure that the person that you are hearing from or reading about actually has authority on the source. Logic, so that's kind of your reasoning, right? Like I saw a lot of you when you were talking about, the earth is flat, you were using a lot of logic from that. Not only evidence, but logic, and like logically that doesn't make sense because, and I saw someone even put like, well, all planets are round, so why would ours be any different? And I thought that was actually a really good response, so go you. Another thing that you want to make sure that you have is evidence, verifiable information, right? That's really important, that you have some sort of evidence and that you're looking at that. And if you can never remember all of them, it's super easy. I know this isn't in order, but a lie are your four qualifiers. Get it? Authority, logic, intuition, evidence. I know, super exciting. So please let me know if you have any questions. Just wanted to get right back to you on that stuff. Kind of as a really quick recap, because it's been a while since claim testers. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much, guys.